This is Activity 5-3, Creating SQL Joins. Now, depending upon the back-end data source and the relationships between the different fields in the different tables, you may want to create a join so that they're linked. But there's different kinds of join. An inner join means everything that matches in both tables will be displayed for you. If it doesn't match, then it's not displayed. Now, a left outer join means everything that matches in both tables will be displayed, but anything that is in the left table or the first table selected, even if it doesn't have a match in the related table, will appear. That's the left outer join. Now the right is reverse. All entries that match in both sides, and everything from the right side or the second table selected that has a value, even if there is no match in the linked table. The results can be different. Now we're going to start this with a blank report, and we're going to connect to our data source. Right? And let's go up here, and our data source. Now from here, we're going to add a command. And we're going to create this command. We're going to do a select. And this is, first name. And then last name. That makes sense. And then we also want country. But where are we getting this from? We're getting this from employee. Right? Straightforward, simple. But now, we're going to create an inner join. And what we want is employee addresses on. Now this on means where the relationship is. So employee table from the employee ID is matched to employee addresses and employee ID. Once I've got that all together, I'm going to order by country. Now, let me just visually check these. I quite often leave out one of these quotes. No, that looks fine. It will error out if the syntax is wrong. And it did. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to check my syntax here, and I'll be right back. Now, the mistake I had made is I had spelt one of the entries incorrectly. Now, let's expand our database fields and our command. And we did say select first name, last name, country, and that's what we see. So once we've done that, we can just bring in our information. So our first name and our last name and our country. And remember, we ordered by country. Let's check. Let's change the view. And it is correct. It's perfect. Now we will save this, and that's the end of this little activity.